Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. So, this is a very important time for many people in the stock market that are newer to the stock market, right? Like just in the past year, since April of last year, we have had some pretty decent size corrections. Obviously, right now, if you look at the broad market as a whole, it does not really look like there's anything going on, right? You look at SPY, or let me see here, SPY. Just in the past 3 months, it's up 3%. Past month, only down 0.87%, right? So it doesn't really look at anything's happening, right, in the broad scale of things. But if you look more closer, if you're more into the market, you know that a big sector in the market that a lot of people are into right now, the semis and AI plays, those stocks are down crashing, right? You see stocks like SanDisk, Micron, AMD, just recently AMD, but these stocks are down 50+% from their all-time highs, right? And you would never know that unless you are in the stock market, right? In the stock market on a daily basis, right? And obviously, this is a very important time if you are investing in those stocks because right now it's semiconductors' time, memory stocks' time for it to drop, right? It is their time. But the last couple months before this, it was these stocks. We've seen ServiceNow drop so hard. You see Salesforce drop so hard, Shopify. Basically, anything that's not in that play has been down a lot. And now you're seeing a lot of these stocks are green. You see ServiceNow the past week, since the lows, up 25, 26%, right? Same thing with Salesforce. So it's like you've seen if you were in these stocks prior to this downtrend in semis, you were feeling the pain, and now it's switching over into the semiconductor plays. So this is why you have to be a little bit diversified, right? You can't just be all in one sector because if you're all in one sector, you're gonna be your portfolio is gonna look crazy, right? Just in my portfolio last year, my portfolio had such high swings. I went from all the way up to like I believe 37,000, and it went all the way down to 19, and stayed down. That's what happened over a year. Before I started depositing more money, my portfolio went high as 37,000, and it went all the way down to 19,000. And basically, what's happened before is happening now. My portfolio went all the way up to 93,000, right? And now it went to as low as 67,000. And then maybe this might not even be the lowest point. We may see 50s. We may be in the 50s next week. You never know, right? But right now, this is the time, right? Do not sell anything that you have a high conviction in. And whatever you do, try to work as much as you can, deposit as much money as you can because there's some pretty good opportunities, right? And it'll probably continue on, probably for the next couple of weeks if market continues to be weak in this sector. So do whatever you can do overtime. I've been slacking on some overtime, but now I'm trying to do some overtime. I needed a wake up call because I was getting too comfortable the past couple of weeks. I see AMD getting closer to 600. I'm like, you know what? I can just chill out. But no, you gotta stay on the gas. Keep working overtime to get that money. Deposit your 500,000, $2,000 a month, whatever you can, and buy when you see discounts, right? You think SoFi is a good deal right now for the future. You think SoFi is going to be $100 stock in the next 10 years, 5 to 10 years? Buy it at 15. You think AMD is going to be a $2,000 stock, $1,000 stock? Buy it right now. You think Micron's going to be $2,000? Buy it right now, right? Buy stocks, companies that you like for the long term. Work as much as you can. Work as much as you can now, so in the next 10 years you don't have to work at all. That's the plan.